Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I came up with another important internship update. If you are looking for an internship or want to build a career in big tech companies, please don't skip this video. Most of the engineering students are waiting for opportunities in top tech companies. One of that is Flipkart. So in this video, I will discuss about what is Flipkart GRiD 8.0 and eligibility criteria, selection process, and everything in detail. So please watch this video till the end. So let us start the video. So actually, Flipkart will actually hire students based on Flipkart GRiD program. This Flipkart GRiD program actually happens every year. So like that, this year also we have Flipkart GRiD 8.0 program. Every year, lakhs of students are participating in Flipkart GRiD. From that, many students got internships and full-time opportunities also. So if you also want to be part of that, don't skip this opportunity. Now, let us see the eligibility criteria. If you are finally pre-final year or final year student in courses like B or B.Tech, M.Tech, and if you are a PhD and dual degree students, then your pass out year should be between 2027 and 2031. I hope you understand the eligibility criteria. Now, let us see the opportunities in Flipkart GRiD. If you are third year student, you will have the opportunity to get a summer internship. And if you are a final year student, you will get winter internship or maybe a chance of getting full-time opportunities also. So one thing I want to say is don't skip this important opportunity. This opportunity comes only once in every year. Now let us see the selection process. So first you need to register for Flipkart GRiD 8.0 program. I will provide the application link in the description. So apply from there. After that, round one is screening round. Most of the students take this round as simple, but this round is very important. In this round, they actually screen based on your resume. Make sure your your resume score should be above 85 percentage. Then only you may get a chance of shortlisting in round one. Hope you understand. Now, round one shortlisted students move to the round two. In round two, they will conduct online coding assessment. It will be duration of 90 minutes. In this round, they actually test your problem solving and technical aptitude skills. So try to practice DSA coding problems from lead coding platforms like Lead Code, CodeChef, like that. Medium to hard problems may be given. So After that, in round 3, they will give you a case study. They will give you a problem statement. For that, you need to design a best solution with a proper architecture. In this round, Flipkart will mostly evaluate system design skills. So try to build a solution with scalable and performance, with better performance. Then only you may get a chance of shortlisting in round 3. Because candidates with good system architecture, even with incomplete working prototype, they may get a chance of shortlisting. So system design also very important when you are preparing for top tech companies like Flipkart. Finally, Flipkart will select top 48 students, and they will invite top 48 students to their headquarters, and they will conduct live hackathon at headquarters. So there also you need to design a working prototype, and you need to present in front of Flipkart leadership. So I hope you understand entire selection process. First, you need round 1, that is resume screening, and second, online coding assessment, and round 3 is case study. That is a selection process. After you perform well, then you will get internship or placement opportunities. So even if you have limited coding knowledge, don't hesitate to participate. You will gain valuable experience that will help you understand where you stand and help you identify your weaknesses. So my final suggestion is, don't underestimate yourself. Just try to give your best and keep learning from every opportunity. That's it I'm going to say for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see next update in upcoming video.